Ever get that sinking feeling when you realize nothing you've tried and trading actually sticks? You spend hours tweaking setups, jumping from one holy grail idea to the next, and somehow you always end up right back where you started, frustrated, doubting yourself, wondering if anyone actually figured this game out or if it's all just luck. It's exhausting, isn't it? You tell yourself, if I just find that right setup, it's finally work, but every new method feels promising at first, only to leave you back in confusion. And here's the hard truth. That's not your fault. Most people are learning the wrong way. They're drowning in complexity, overloading their charts, second guessing every move, adding indicator after indicator, hoping one of them will stick. But what actually works? It's simpler than you think, much simpler. And that's exactly what we're about to go through. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see the market differently. I promise you that. After testing every flashy method out there, I found a way to cut through all the noise. No complicated setups that leave you scratching your head. Just clear logic, a repeatable structure, and the kind of confidence that only comes when everything finally clicks. But I need to mention that this video is just for educational purposes only. Trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Keep that in mind as we move forward. Alright, let's get back into it. First, the Flux Charts SFX algo indicator, and this is basically all you need. Why? Because it gives you clear buy and sell signals, a stop loss level, and even 3 take profit targets, all plotted right on your charts so you can plan your exits ahead of time. And here's where it gets interesting. You'll see exactly how each signal guides your next move, almost like the charts is talking to you. Take a look at this gold chart. The indicator just flagged a buy opportunity. Notice the 3 profits targets right there on the chart. Then a little later, a sell signal pops up. Again, 3 targets clearly marked, almost like the indicator is pointing your eyes to where the market might go next. It's visual, simple, and straightforward, exactly what you need to cut through the clutter. Now, when it comes to optimization, there are options. The key one is sensitivity. You can try different numbers depending on your chart, or let the AI handle it automatically. It adjusts dynamically so you don't have to second guessing yourself. It's like having a smart assistant adjusting your signals in real time. But this isn't the full strategy yet. Before we even think about taking a trade, you need to identify the market's dominant trend. Why? Because trading with the trend improves probability. Trading against it, that's where the most traders get burned. Most people think any signal is a trade, but the market doesn't work that way. Trend alignment is critical. So next, let's cover trend identification. We use the Donchian trend ribbon indicator. Quick breakdown. It calculates the main trend using a set length, then compares it to 9 lower lengths. If all align, the ribbon changes color. Simple visual confirmation of momentum. For trend identification, experiment with Donchian periods. 100 or 200 usually works. Depending on the market, stocks, Bitcoin, gold, testing helps you find the optimal length. And here's how it looks. When the ribbon is green, it means uptrend and bullish momentum. And when it's red, it means downtrend or bearish momentum. Now check out this Bitcoin chart. The Flux chart shows a sell signal with a stop loss and 3 targets plotted. But before hitting enter, check the Donchian ribbon. It's red, confirming the downtrend. Signal aligns with momentum. This is a valid sell setup. Risk management is key here. Never risk more than 1% capital per trade. And a stop loss just above this ribbon. Let the 3 take profit guide your exit. And that's how you manage risk without overthinking. Stick around, because the next example shows you exactly what not to do. And trust me, most traders make this mistake consistently. On the same BTC chart, a buy signal pops up. But the Donchian ribbon is red. So what do? Escape it. The market is telling you not now. Following the guidelines prevents unnecessary losses and keeps your capital safe. Now another scenario, a buy signal appears, Donchian ribbon green, everything aligns, price, signal and trend. That's a valid buy setup. Same risk rule, 1% capital risk, a stop loss below ribbon and follow 3 take profits. Now Flux Charts SFX indicator is available with a 15% discount. Check description or pinned comment if you want to explore it. And happy trading!